In this video, I will show you exactly how to leverage the power of Claude AI to analyze your Shopify store pricing and stack it up against your toughest competition. If you have been struggling to find that sweet spot for your margins or wondering why shoppers choose other brands over yours, this workflow will change everything for you. To get started, you first need to ensure your Shopify store data is accessible or simply export your product list into a format that Claude can read easily. Once you have your own data ready, open a new chat with Claude and provide a direct link to your store or upload your product catalog. The magic happens in the prompt engineering. You should clearly ask Claude to extract the key features and price points of your flagship items. After Claude understands your inventory, the next step is to identify your top 3 competitors. You can either name them specifically or ask Claude to search for the most successful and high-volume sellers in your specific niche. Tell the AI to perform a detailed head-to-head comparison between your products and the top 3 best sellers from those competitors. Specifically ask for a breakdown of pricing strategies, discount patterns, and perceived value based on customer reviews. As the AI processes this information, it will highlight exactly where you are overpricing your items or where you might have room to increase your rates without losing customers. Claude is incredibly good at spotting trends, so ask it to summarize the findings into a clear strategy. This allows you to see if your competitors are using psychological pricing techniques like ending in 99 cents or if they offer bundled deals that you are currently missing out on. By the end of this session, you will have a data-driven roadmap to optimize your Shopify store for maximum conversions.